Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review, and I do natural skin review as well. So today is all about the natural. So today we have here the Clean and Clear Deep Cleaning Toner. If you're a person that has pimples, acne, or whatever you want to call it, and it's dark, you can use this. I've been using this for a while. This is a new one, but I've been using this product for a while. I also tried the Neutrogena, but today is not the Neutrogena time. It is the Clean and Clear time. So this product is Essential Deep Cleaning Toner with salicylic acid acne medication. It is for sensitive skin. You have step 1, step 2, and you have step 3. This is step 2. Treat and helps prevent pimple, and it's oil free. Alright, warning, external use only. And this product you must keep away from fire. Yeah. Another thing, when using this product, skin irritation and dryness is more likely to occur. When using this product, always get a good moisturizer. Yes, get a good moisturizer because you're going to need it, because salicylic acid, it dry out your skin, my dear. And the reason it is to help the pimples, but you have to use a good moisturizer. Alright, so they're saying that if it catches your eyes, you must get water to flush it out immediately. Cleanse thoroughly before applying this product. Moisten with cotton ball. Cover the entire affected area with a thin layer on a daily basis, like 3 times daily. Now don't use it more than 3 times a day, and if you want to use it 2, that is okay. Alright, so this is the end of my video. I thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you like, share, subscribe, watch more videos, and you can get this on Amazon. So you can purchase it with the link down below, and there's so much videos you can watch. You can go ahead and watch it. You can watch a playlist. You can watch the rest of my videos because I'm really good. So go ahead and grab a popcorn and just start watch. I hope you have a fantabulous day. Wait there, a fantabulous day. Yes, of course. Enjoy the day. Bye guys.